Is your Fanuc display getting dim, blurry, or flickering? The CRT is aging, time to upgrade. Confirm your model, a61l-0001-0093. On the back, Honda 20-pin signal and DC 24-volt power. Kanto introduces the dedicated LCD upgrade module, industrial-grade TFT panel. In-place installation, plug and play. No rewiring, no parameter changes, no structural changes. The upgrade delivers crisp, sharp displays, compatible with 0M, OT, TOM and MD systems. Compatible with Fanuc 0, 0i, OMD, 16i, 18i and 21i series. Kanto. 2-year warranty. Contact us for your upgrade.